Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Today I'm going to show you some of the awesome features you get when you upgrade your factory 5-inch RAM radio to the HEIGH10 10-inch multimedia infotainment system. Comparing the two screens side by side, the HEIGH10 10-inch display is way larger than the factory 5-inch screen, giving you a much larger display of the reverse camera and other awesome features of this RAM integrated kit. Our kit takes the HEIGH10's massive 10-inch display and mounts it flawlessly in the dash of your RAM. This 10-inch HD touchscreen display is the perfect canvas to show many awesome features of your integrated RAM kit. The screen is specifically designed to reduce glare and be easy to see, even in direct sunlight. Thanks to pack integration technology, we're able to pull CAN bus information from the RAM's CAN bus and display the information here on the HEIGH10 screen. We have a vehicle information app that shows things like tire pressure monitoring, vehicle status, multiple vehicle gauges, even performance gauges, and more. Our kit is designed to retain your factory reverse camera and cargo camera if your RAM is equipped with either or both of those. In addition to that, the HEIGH10 has 4 total camera inputs, so it can retain your factory cameras and allow you to add blind spot cameras and front cameras. Some of the information we pull from the CAN bus are the turn signal triggers and speed data, so we can turn on those cameras whenever we need to using the vehicle information app. This saves you a lot of time in the installation because you don't have to hunt down and tag those analog trigger wires, which are difficult to find in the RAM. The HEIGH10 has Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Here you can send and receive messages and phone calls, listen to music and podcasts, and use your phone's navigation apps, all without touching your phone. When it comes to upgrades you can hear and not see, the HEIGH10 has a high-power 4-channel built-in amplifier. And on top of that, we give you a 15-band equalizer, which is way more than the factory 3-band EQ that comes with the RAM. The HEIGH10 also has 6 channels of 4-volt RCA preamps, so if you want to add aftermarket amplifiers to expand your sound system, it's totally equipped for that too. The system also has a micro SD card slot, allowing you to purchase an optional micro SD card with offline maps from iGo Navigation. Simply insert this into your HEIGH10, and now you can get offline maps and turn-by-turn directions without the need for a cell phone signal. Thanks for watching this before and after comparison of the RAM factory 5-inch radio and the Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch multimedia infotainment system. Ready to evolve your RAM and upgrade to the HEIGH10? Get our plug-and-play installation kit and you too can have a HEIGH10 looking this sweet in your RAM.